Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Go Wheelie is probably one of the most exciting and innovative ways to navigate your city, offering a blend of convenience, fun, and eco-friendly transportation that's quickly capturing the attention of urban dwellers and adventure seekers alike. Imagine effortlessly gliding through streets, bypassing traffic jams, and arriving at your destination with a smile, all while enjoying the freedom and agility that this unique personal mobility device provides. It's more than just a way to get around. It's an experience that redefines your daily commute and opens up a world of possibilities for exploration and enjoyment. Number 5. Things that go. Audiobook. Get ready for an exciting audio journey. This book brings the world of vehicles to life with amazing sounds. Experience the thrill of powerful engines and cheerful horns. It's a symphony of motion for little ears. Discover a wide variety of vehicles, from mighty trucks to speedy trains. Each page offers a new sound to explore. It's more than just sounds, it's an interactive learning experience. Engage your child's curiosity and imagination. Designed for curious minds, this audiobook is perfect for toddlers and preschoolers. Let the adventures begin. What we like. This is a fantastic way to keep young children entertained without the mess. If you're looking for a way to give your kids a creative outlet on car trips or at restaurants, this is the perfect solution. It offers hours of fun without the need for paper or crayons, making it ideal for parents who want a break from screen time. What people say. He loved pushing the buttons and hearing the sounds each one made. That entertained him for a long time. Nice hardcover pages that are sturdy. So many fun noises and pictures. Number 4. KOKODI 2-pack LCD writing tablet for kids. Introducing the KOKODI LCD writing tablet, a fun and mess-free way for kids to draw and write. It's like writing on paper, but with endless possibilities for creativity. Let your little ones express themselves without worrying about ruined walls or sofas. This tablet provides hours of entertainment, a great alternative to screens. Lightweight and portable, it's the ideal companion for car trips, restaurants, or any time you need quiet entertainment for your child. With a simple erase button, drawing and starting over is a breeze. The stylus fits securely, ensuring it's always ready for their next masterpiece. Save paper and embrace sustainability. One tablet can replace thousands of sheets, making it an environmentally conscious choice for your family. Ideal for birthdays or any occasion, this colorful doodle board is designed for children aged 3 to 8, fostering early learning and artistic skills. What we like. These are the ultimate in casual comfort and style. If you prioritize all-day wearability and a shoe that goes with everything, you can't go wrong. They are perfect for quick errands, relaxing at home, or even as a work shoe in some settings. What people say. Very easy to travel with and worked perfect. Great size too for small hands. They are lightweight and inexpensive, so they's also great for my granddaughter to carry around. Love that they come with lanyards, otherwise it wouldn't take long to lose the stylists. Writes and erases smoothly. Perfect activity outside of screen time. Number 3. Crocs Unisex-Adult Classic Clog. Experience the legendary comfort and style of the classic clog. Designed for everyone, these shoes are perfect for any occasion. With their timeless design, these clogs offer unparalleled versatility. Wear them your way, from casual outings to relaxing at home. Enjoy the lightweight feel and durable construction that makes them a go-to choice. They are built to last and keep you comfortable all day. Keeping them looking fresh is a breeze. Their easy-to-clean material means less worry and more enjoyment. Whether you're on your feet all day or just need a comfortable slip-on, these clogs are designed for your lifestyle. They are a must-have for any wardrobe. What we like. This toy offers dual-play experiences for endless fun. If your child loves cars and imaginative play, this carrier that transforms into a ramp is a winner. It's perfect for little ones who enjoy loading up their vehicles and then sending them zooming down a track. What people say. The Go Wheelie is a fantastic way to get around town. It's easy to use and surprisingly fast. I love the design of the Go Wheelie. It's sleek and modern, and it folds up easily for storage. The battery life on the Go Wheelie is impressive. I can go for hours on a single charge. Number 2. Fisher-Price Little People Ramp and Go Carrier. Introducing the Fisher-Price Little People Ramp and Go Carrier. It's the perfect way to bring your favorite cars along for the ride. This carrier can hold up to 4 of your Wheelies cars. That means more friends can join the adventure. With a simple transformation, it goes from a carrier to an exciting racing ramp. Get ready for some speedy fun. The set comes with a carrier and 1 Wheelies car to get the fun started right away. Expand the excitement by collecting more Little People Wheelies vehicles. There are so many to discover for endless zip-zooming adventures. What we like. Get ready for some high-speed thrills with this speedy vehicle. If you're looking for a toy that's built for speed and can withstand rough play, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love racing and collecting different models for even more excitement. What people say. My 20-month-old son loves cars. This is a bit more fun than some of his other toy cars due to the ramp and being able to speed the smaller car down it. He's had this for about 4 months now, and despite being thrown from his high chair and down the stairs, it doesn't have a scratch on it. This is such a fun toy. My grandson loves all the Little People toys, and this toy did not disappoint. He loves loading and unloading the cars. I live the fact that the figures with these products are all interchangeable, which makes for more quality playtime. The truck ramp does click into place and lock the cars into place at the back as the truck rolls along. For now, it works wonderfully and the car rolls really fast and far out of the top of the ramp. Really quite exciting for a child. I had wanted a beginner type of race set, and this is really fun and easy for a toddler's first try at car racing fun. Plus this fits Oma's little space for visiting time, then stores compactly away again. Number 1. Screamin Cheetah Wheelies. Get ready to experience the thrill of a lifetime. These wheels are designed for maximum speed and excitement. Prepare for an unforgettable ride. Feel the wind in your hair as you glide effortlessly. Our innovative design ensures a smooth and exhilarating journey every time. It's more than just a ride, it's an adventure. Crafted with precision and passion, these wheels offer unparalleled performance. Every detail is optimized for speed and control. You'll feel the difference from the very first push. Take on any challenge with confidence. These wheels are built to handle diverse surfaces, providing stability and agility. Go further and explore more than ever before. Be part of something extraordinary. These wheels are changing the game, offering a unique and dynamic way to move. Experience the future of personal transportation today. What we like. This is designed for active, imaginative play. If your child enjoys pushing and rolling toys, this one offers a great tactile and visual experience. It's perfect for toddlers and preschoolers who are developing their motor skills and love to make things move. What people say. This is just plain old but Kaizen Southern rock and roll at its finest. The music is so infectious and driving that even the lead singer cannot murder these recordings despite giving it a very good try. Superb musicians, songwriters, and amazing vocals. All songs have a unique musical style varying from Black Crowes to Darius Rucker or even Robert Plant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.